What's up, guys? Today we are playing this beatbox with Dandy's World Twisted. So let me try this. First, it's Dandy. Right over there, the shape like this. Listen to this. We'll get at 3 a.m. You get scary.
Welcome to my world, my world. Welcome to my world, my
Bro, Dandy's so
world.
creepy, guys.
Welcome to my
So creepy, guys. So creepy. I've never been a nightmare, bro. At this 3 a.m. Boom! Any beat? Bro, why is he? Eh, 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 Get out, Dan. Get out. Hey, 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 hey. He slap you, what? He slap you. It looks like it's better than Sprunky, but guys, right? It looks like better than Sprunky. Let's try go back to Dandy. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, name me big brothers. Guys, this is so creepy. Let's try this. This box can reload because I have real songs, bro. Bro, Dandy is run away, right? Guys, right? He's running. So let me beat it. I go bad, what is it? What's up? Guys, this is better than Spunky Face Studio, right? Let's go to the T, guys. Kinda beat, guys. So let me. So already done before you, guys. All done before you. So guys, this is a better than Sprunky and Incredibox. A new game is Beatbox. And let me rate with the Beatbox. It's 5 out of 5. Yes, but not so others. Other than Incredibox, and it is not the same. This is same with the Sprunky and Sprunky Space 2. In Sprunky Phase 3, it's not creepy. It's too scary. Too scary, it's Sprunky. Are not same with same with the black plug. So the better than Sprunky with beat blocks will be one now. So but the top of popular of this YouTube this many kids are playing this beat blocks not for kids, bruh. So so we have a beat blocks. It's not is not the same with the within box, right? Spelunky will be terminated with this with the bead blocks. So I hope this is gonna work. So thank you for this playing, bro. Or gonna sneak your house at 3 a.m.